Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you the new digital prints in our shop. So was it last week or the week before? We released flower 1, 2, and 3, which were these flowers right here. So that was flower number 3, flower number 2, and then we had flower number 1. And it was all in the 2-inch size. Now this week we have flower number 4, and he did them a little different. He changed the tone of the flowers just because I wanted it to be different. So he used there's in our sheets, like the pink sheet, for example, there's 4 tones in each. Well, I got him to use the lightest tone so that they would pop a little bit more. So you got, this is the 2-inch file. So I'll show you all the different colors. So you have pink, you have yellow, and this one, the flower is 2 inches. You got purple, oh, I think my favorite, red, or maybe this one's my favorite. This is, now I can never remember if that's the turquoise or if that's the mint. I got to see them side by side. So yes, that's the turquoise and that's the mint. And that's an exclusive color. So turquoise, mint, the brown, and then we have the dark gray. We have the green, and then we have the light gray. And we'll come to this one a little later. Then we have the orange, then we have the peach, and the bright orange. Now, if you purchase the bundle, so that's all 13 colors minus the mint isn't in there because that's an exclusive color for my patrons. You get what I call the stamped image. He called it the colorless, so that you can color it in as a free bonus with the bundle. So that is the 2-inch one, and that the flower is 2-inch and you can cut it out. Now, we also did what we call the punchables, so that you can use a punch to punch them out. So the flower is not necessarily 1.5, but you can use a 1.5-inch punch to punch it out. So the first one here, the top 2 rows are the 1.5-inch. The bottom, the 2 next rows are 1.25 inch. As you can tell, I've already punched them out because I've been using them. So 1.25 inch. And then the very bottom 3 rows, you can use your 1-inch punch. So these are also available in all the different colors, including the stamped image, and also in a bundle. And we decided to keep the 50% off sale. I didn't print them all. I will, but I didn't print them all at this point because he did this for all the flowers. So I kind of ran out of time to print. So he did this for flower number 1, 2, and 3. And I'll just show you the colors while, oh, this one's upside down. I'm like, why? Where's the bigger one? And this one's upside down too, like this. And while I'm showing you the colors, I'll just let you know that the 50% off sale, we're going to keep it going for a bit longer, just because of everything that's going on. If anything, it just seems to be getting worse. And I've had so many people send me emails and just say, thank you so much for, putting everything on at 50% off. It really helps. I wanted to get some, and with the 50% off, I'm able to get some. So, times are difficult and times are stressful. So I just figured that we could do that. And then he did it for file number 2. So I'll just go through them really quickly. And the stamped image. And for the smaller ones for this, he did the lighter in the middle. So it's not as much tone on tone as the first few, first few flowers. Like that was more like the tone on tone. And I figured that way they'll coordinate so well. And they stand out a little bit more. So these you can either punch them out or you can cut them out. Or if you have a Cricut, because it is PNG files, you can use your Cricut to cut them out. I've been told. I've never done it because I don't have, my Cricut is super old. Like we're talking probably 10, 15 years old. So I have to use still the one, like the cartridges. So I can only cut whatever's on the cartridge. So I can't use the Cricut on this, but I've been cutting them out myself or punching out the flowers for this. So again, this is the stamped image or the colorless. So the link is in the description box below, but it's at NicoleJones901.com. You go under classes, embellishment, or classes store/store, and then all the embellishments are there. And the classes. So everything is on at 50% off. So that's it. That is all the new embellishments that is new in our shop this week. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.